How to delete or clear order history on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So currently, Temu does not offer a direct option to delete or clear your order history. However, you can manage your purchase records in a few ways. And here are the options available. First of all, you need to open your Temu application and then log into your account. Now you can hide order details. Temu allows you to keep your order details in the app, but you cannot delete them. However, open the Temu app and then go to your profile. Now tap on your orders in order to view your past purchases. While you can't delete orders, you can archive them or simply stop checking your past order list. You can also contact the Temu customer support. If you have a specific reason for wanting to remove or clear your order history, you can contact the Temu customer support to request assistance. They may offer a solution or guidance for your situation. So for that, you can click on the headphone icon in the top right. After that, click on Contact Us option that is in the bottom of the screen in order to explain your request to support team. Even though you can't clear your order history, you can always manage your account and data privacy by regularly checking your privacy settings or contacting support for any specific concerns. So this was all about it. If you found this guide informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.